Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be another Tidy Tuesday video, and in this video we're going to be working on our entertainment cabinet. Now I got this cabinet at Goodwill probably 7 or 8 years ago. It's probably time for another repainting. It used to be brown. I gave it a coat of this, I think it's called Firehouse Red or Fire Apple Red or something like that. Candy Apple Red, I think is what that is. And it's probably time to resand it and give it another good coat, but that is not what we're doing today. We're going to be working on decluttering this drawer, which has a lot of home movies, and then this bottom drawer, which has, this second drawer, which has games. The third drawer is our magazine drawer, and we already did that one, so we're not doing that one today. Let me make a small disclaimer. In this drawer, we have a lot of movies. Most of these are not our movies. A friend of mine was leaving school and had movies and just said, hey, does anybody want them? I took them knowing that my kids and I would not watch most of them, but trying to find some homes. So we're decluttering this now and going to take some of these to see if we can find any homes for them. And then the games, tomorrow is Fellowship Day at the church and we are having a game day. So we're going to declutter some of the games that we don't use, and we're going to take those to church and see if anybody wants any of those games. So the kids and I thought we would just invite you along for this edition of Tidy Tuesday. Okay, the encounter, this is...
different one.
We are over here and out here in these cleaning streets, and you ain't helping. Now I don't know, but I'm feeling some type of way.
Everybody dance now. That is a good one.
Everybody dance now.
Ma, you have to do it with us.
Okay, y'all. These are Wii. Okay, can we look at these Wii games?
I'm getting the tape.
Can we Wii, please?
Jackson.
Jackson, can you come Wii? Can you tell me?
If we use, look, his name's right there. Go. I got it.
Can we Wii here?
I'm over here. We always like Mario Kart because I won everything.
Okay, like this.
Family game night, why not? You have to play as well.
Okay. And then what about this?
That's trending stuff. Don't look at this. Nobody plays FIFA. No.
What about this?
That's Jackson's. Okay, so we're saying goodbye to that one too? Bye.
kids and I are done with these 2 drawers. Again, we did not tackle the 3rd drawer because we had already gone through magazines. We were in a huge season of getting magazines, and we don't receive as many anymore. So that's kind of calmed down some, so we don't need to go through that. But what we did do is we culled out all of the movies that we had. And so we just kept the movies that we wanted to keep. There are a couple of Wii games. And then in the back we had 2 bins. And in the bins we just have cords to things like the Clear Play and the box that goes in the back of the old style TV, like the connector boxes. And then all of our movies. So we were able to get rid of a lot of movies in here. We just kept most of the kind of like the Christian movies or things I would use as far as teaching. Like I used to teach youth ministry, and I would use little clips from movies to teach us subject or something. So we're keeping all of those. Anything else really that was not Christian based or something in that area or that taught a lesson to us, I put in a bag, and I'm going to take those and see if we can't find them at home. The kids actually got rid of a lot of their VeggieTale movies. You know, Alana's 15, Jackson's 9. They've gone through that phase. So we're going to take all of those movies over to the church and see if any of the little kids would like those, or if they want to keep them for the library at church. So that's done. And then in this drawer, we were able to get rid of a ton. So we do have some games that we have pulled out to take to the church to play games tomorrow, because tomorrow's game day. And other than that, we just have the Wii stuff here. We've got some Bible games over there that kids and I have played before. And then we have enough space that when we come back tomorrow, we can put all of our games that we take with us today back in this drawer, and everything is culled out. Here is the bag that we have of movies and different things, a lot of CDs. Some of them don't have CD cases because we decluttered one year where we took everything out of cases and we just put them in these little protector things. So we just have a whole Aldi bag full. That's going. And then this is our bag of games. And so we do have some games at the bottom that we're going to try to rehome as well. But then some games for the bigger kids. We've got Uno. We've got Mexican train dominoes. We have Yahtzee. We have the racks to hold your dominoes on. There's Uno Dare. There's Scrabble Slam. There's a whole bunch of games in here that we're just going to take and see who wants to play what. Mainly we were planning for the older kids. So anywho, there it is. Tidy Tuesday, a 15 to 30 minute refresh of an area of a space that you and your kids, or you and your spouse, or you and whoever can do very quickly to bring some order back to spaces in your home. We do hope that it has motivated you to tackle a space in your home. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, just thumb it up. Just says, hey, we liked your video. If you're new, hit the red button. Don't forget the bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.